All right.
All right, so my bear hug from the front, but this time my arms are free. So I have added strikes I can throw. He's coming in, he's nice and close, I don't have a lot of space. Remember, space equals escape. I need to create that space. I could go for the hips, but I don't really have that position. This time I'm going to use the head. Where the head goes, the body follows. Grab onto those eyes, and I'm peeling his head back. From here, I have hammer fist. I have my arc hand. I have any strike I can throw to the face to get him off. From there, I finish the fight. Anything, Dad?
Nope.
Everyone up. Very nice. Just for posterity, when I say go, the bear hug comes on. I want you to base. Your hands come up. Ready? Go. Very nice. Go. Good. Your hands are up. You're going for their head, which is somewhere around your, in this case, your right shoulder. Hands go to the head. Ready? Go. Base. There you go. From here, my hands, fingers are in their eyeballs, and I'm peeling their head back. And from that position, throw two hammer fist strikes. Ready? Go. Good. Reset. Go. Putting them on his eyebrows. Okay, this is going to simulate me sticking my fingers into his eyes. Get to that position. Reset. 3 and switch. We're talking about the eye strike. From here, I'm throwing my 2 hammer fists. So one more time. Come in. Base, peel the head back, and throw 2 strikes. Do not hit your partner in the face. Let's go. All right, so we had our bear hugs from the front. We did it with, we saw the attack coming. We had space. We also had it come in, arms caught, arms free. In this case, my attacker's attacking me from behind. Go ahead. So, he's grabbing me from behind. My arms are caught. Can't use my arm. We talked about our strikes we can throw with our feet. Okay, I also have my hands, throwing that strike to the groin. Once I've created space, I based, I created space, I need to turn in. But while I turn, I want to make sure that I'm getting into a position that I can defend myself. Getting into this clinch position with my wall of defense. Throw my strikes until I can go home safe. Can you do that?
Nope.
Everyone up. They're coming from behind. Our hands are caught. I base. Ready? Base. Very nice. Now we're going to throw those strikes behind us. In this case, we're just going to use our hands. We base. I am throwing my strike behind me. Make sure you want to hit your target. You got to get your hips out of the way. Use your body, not just your hands. 3 strikes, right or left hand. Ready? Go. Good. Good. You've been given just enough space to escape. Base. I am turning in with my clinch up and switching my feet. Going to the right. Ready? Go. Very nice. All right, so you're going to get with your partner. This time, everyone's going to be facing in this direction. I'll use Howard because he's right there. Coming up behind my partner, I am wrapping my hands around. My hips are nice and close. My head is against his back. He is going to base and throw his strikes and then reset. Go. That was my thigh and my groin. Not actually hit it, but get into that position. Good, much better. He's going to do that 3 times and switch. Anything to add?
Nope.
Let's go. What I'm seeing is this. People are coming in for the bear hug. You're trying to reach the groin by leaning over. This is a huge problem. My weight is now going forward. He could easily take me to the ground from here. All right, not a good position. I actually want to do the opposite. Reset. he comes in for the bear hug, I want to create space. I'm leaning my shoulders back, my hips are coming forward. Not only does this make sure I'm balanced, but I also have a lot easier time getting to the groin. So, he comes in, I base, my hips come forward, and I can throw those strikes. Add that in, don't turn just yet. Let's go.
So some of you did it, some of you didn't. You went right back to do what you were doing, right? So when they grabbed, right, you went right back to doing this. I think I know why you did it, because you want that groin strike. So you did things that was shit, I know I can't even reach the groin. Here's the problem. You forgot the purpose of the groin strike.
Yeah.
What was the purpose of the groin strike?
Right.
So if you can't reach the groin, what that mean? You got the space already.
Yeah.
Okay? So if she's grabbing, right, and I'm here, I got the space already, now I can turn around and start defending myself. Make sense? Okay? The whole purpose is to get the space. Now, if I throw my hips away and she brings her hips in, now, pop, pop, get your hips back. Make sense? But if you can't reach it, it means that you already have the space to turn around. That's why you got to know why you're doing what you're doing.
Hey, DJ?
Yes.
The
The groin strike helps them release you. You want, what's the first thing you want to do? Base. Second thing, space. Space to turn around. So the groin strike, hopefully it'll get them to release you. I tell you all the time, stop thinking the groin strike is the magic button. All right, it's not really magic, guys. It's not really magic. Okay, you might do some other stuff, and you might miss it because they're gonna make swinging you and moving it around. Okay, so you got to be able to know I'm trying to turn around to get to a better position to defend myself. A good observation. All right, let's go. What are you gonna do? All right, they're grabbing. I'm hips away. All right, reset. Go grab again. Hips away. Reset. All right, grab again. Hips away. Don't even do the groin strike. Just do that for a second because you guys are keep on. Hips away. She brings her hips in. Strike, strike, strike. Turn around. Slow. Base. Hips away. She brings her hips in. No, get your hips back and turn around because I can't take it back my hips out no further.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? That's the drill. Base, hips away, she grows her hips in, strike, 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 turn around. That's what I want. Go. Watch me. And you gotta be, less than strike you to the groin for real. Here, she base, hips away, I bring my hips in, she strikes to the groin, get my hips back now. Because she's coming to the groin. And then she can turn around. Now, if you strike to the groin once, they don't move back. Don't hit them again. If you do it twice, they don't move back. Don't hit to the groin. You do it 3 times, hit them in the groin for real. Alright? React to those strikes, guys. Alright? They're gonna give you 2 warning shots. After that one, you're gonna get hit in the groin. Then we're gonna see if it really works. Alright? Hopefully you don't have to go that far. Let's go. Do I even need the elbows? Because I have the space. Let's talk about it. Okay, so grab her real tight, okay? So I can't throw my elbows for whatever reason. Maybe it's a sport, I don't know. All right? Some sports don't allow strikes. Go fit. All right? So hold on tight, all right? Tight.
Yeah.
So I'm breaking that. So it.
Yeah.
I'm breaking it. That's my objective. Okay? I'm trying to get the space. She's holding me in. I can't go. Maybe I'll bump here. You know, I'm trying to get the space. Like, boom. All right? Now, right? Referee's not looking. Bam! Bam! Turn around. And the good thing is, in the street, ain't no referee, so that's why I didn't go right to it. Make sense? Always think about your objective. Your objective is to turn around. The elbows help, but if I already have the space, then I'm already turning around. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
All right? Turn around when you need to. One more time, but safety and training, 3 elbows. We're going to assume that's all you're going to have. You might need 50 of them, but for right now, 3. I'm going to tell you why. Because this is what's happening. She's going to throw 4. Slow. All right? I'm gonna grab you first. All right. And I'm attacking. I'm gonna safely attack. Boom, she throws forward. Oh, shucks! I got hit by the fourth one. You guys are coming up way too early. So, because you don't know when he's done. So, just for safety and training, after the third elbow, that's when you can come up. Make sense? In real time, just so you know, if somebody's here, the elbow, head safe, would I throw the elbow?
No.
It's not there.
No.
It's not there. She has her head up, right?
Oh, yeah.
Referee's not looking. Whack! Give her one. Make sense? Real quick, guys. You're running a little late. Run that drill. Throw the hips away. You know, throw the elbows if you need to, but gotta turn around. Think about your objective. Really quick. You have a women's workshop coming up. Oh, no, it's the same as blood. Anyway, so the reason. So hold on tight. It's not working like it was working.
She clued in you.
Nope. You're not pulling down.
She's riding out.
She told you that in the beginning. Okay? So I am constantly pushing down as I'm doing this. Alright? Gotta keep good control of the hands. Oh, hips are back. Right? It's illegal to do the growing strike.
No.
Referee's not looking.
No.
Boop! Okay? It's illegal to stop on the foot. So it's illegal to take your shoes and rake the shin.
Oh, yeah.
Now we cheat in Krav Maga. Okay? We cheat. Because that's the only way we're going to beat him. I just earlier, had a young man, strong guy. I had David down on the ground. He's a wrestler. High school wrestler, he's going to cause it. I said, keep him down there. Right? So David's trying to get up. David got up. Took him about 10, 15 seconds, he got up. And you know what he told him when he got up? He said, he's cheating in the growing though. I said, yes! Because David couldn't get up, so he popped him.
Yeah.
And he said, oh shit! He said, yeah, wrestling, we can't do that. I said, okay, good. That's a good thing to know. Make sense? All right, guys, train. So A's are going to be in the middle. B is going to be on this side. Make that happen quickly. Come on, guys, quickly. Guys, y'all are not attacking nowhere near fast enough. As soon as one person finishes, get on the other person. This has got to be a fast, aggressive drill. As soon as you finish dealing with your bad guy, go back to your spots, reclose your eyes, and await your next attack. And don't cheat and have your eyes squinted. All right, go! Let's go! Let's go! Don't help him out. Let's go! Come on! Come on. It goes his back. Let's go. Come on. Watch that. Underhooks. Yes, good. Let's go. Train. Come on. Let's go. Hey! Thank you, partners. Line it up.